Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12 and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Then scroll down, tap on Themes and select Icons at the bottom right corner. Then click at the loop at the top right corner and type whatever you want to. For example, love. Then select icons that you like the best. I will go with these ones, so I have to tap on them and select download. Then apply. Apply again. And as you can see, style of my icons has changed. But if you want to go back into the default ones, you can always go into the same settings, click Themes, and click at the top left corner on the three lines. Select My Stuff, choose Icons over here and tap on the default ones. Then select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!